Good morning. It's the 11th grade career education class with Mr. Stewart and
Miss Lively. So last week we started talking about career resources and how it includes in your career plan. So this week we're going to finish up with some more resources.
what is a career center? Career centers have job listings, research resources, and counselors that help you identify jobs that match your skills and interests. Employment offices are similar to career centers. Private employment agencies also exist, but they charge a fee to match employee with employer.
Next, we're going to talk about career fairs. Now, this should sound familiar. A career fair is a great opportunity to meet representatives from many different companies. Some are geared more towards a specific career cluster, and then some have a broader option. For instance, when you visited the career fair for Pineland, you might have noticed that there were colleges there. It just wasn't about getting jobs as well as the workforce. There were also independent services there that we wanted you to be able to see. So, some helpful tips for you when you visit a career fair. Please, please, please be on your A game. Assume you are being evaluated as a potential employee. As soon as you walk in the door, they're not just making sure that they're offering a position, but they're also checking you out. So, you need to make sure that you dress appropriately. That's it. Please dress appropriately. Be confident and outgoing. Go up to each table. Introduce yourself. And last but not least, be prepared to ask and answer any questions. You are basically selling yourself. They are watching you as well as you watching them. Ask them questions about their benefits. What are their work hours? What type of employee are they looking for? Think of it sort of as a short mock interview for a potential employer.
Help wanted ads, also known as classified ads. They're job listings for specific positions that may be found in magazines, newspapers, and online websites that can help you learn about career opportunities in a specific area.
All right, guys. So for the first part of the assignment, here's what we need you to do. Please design a one-page flyer all about you. It should discuss your skills, abilities, talents, and other qualities that you would like for an employer to hire you. Please be honest. Mr. Stewart, tell them to be honest.
Please be honest.
Accurate and be creative.
Assignment part 2. You're going to log into NJCAN. Click on My Profile tab and click on Career Plan. Second, click on Getting Started. Then click on the tab that states Bake Plans. Click on Educational Plans Worksheet. Complete the worksheet as you see.
Please make sure that you email these assignments back to us. Your assignment is due Thursday. And until next time, guys.
We'll see you then.